We all know that people judge our personality by looking at our face. No matter how rich you are, if your face is not appealing, no one will pay attention to you. When someone sees you for the first time, they look at your nose, eyes, eyebrows, and lips, and they also notice your facial structure. To improve these facial features, this video will be of full help to you, so watch the video carefully and completely. Listen to this. Improving facial features is not that difficult. It just requires a little bit of struggle. Number 1, fix fatty nose in 1 minute. Some people go into depression because of their nose. Some believe that they were born genetically this way. However, we leave no stone unturned in ruining our face ourselves by not exercising, eating sugar items excessively, which leads to fat on our face. Compare your childhood picture with the current one. In childhood, the nose was slim due to less fat, but in the current picture, it looks fat because of the excess fat. Many people have a very thick nose tip. So, with the fingers of both hands, move the tip in a circular rotation for 1 minute. This exercise will quickly affect the nose, making the tip look slim. You can add this exercise to your morning or evening routine to slim down your nose. Number 2, slim lips. Lips are also an attraction point of our face. In European countries, big lips are preferred. To slim down your lips, tuck them inward, and support the sides with your fingers for 30 to 40 seconds, holding this position. Then, make a duck pose with your lips and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. You may not find these lip slimming exercises anywhere else. These exercises will help a lot in slimming your lips. After slim nose and slim lips, 2 points remain, which are very important. So, without skipping the video, watch these 2 points carefully. Number 3, hunter eyes. Some people's eyes lack attraction because they look droopy due to sagging skin. Eyes are a main and important point of our attraction, and attractive eyes impress girls. Add these 2 techniques to your morning routine. First, with your 2 fingers, massage upwards on your eyes and eyebrows 10 times. Then, with the help of 2 fingers of one hand, perform this exercise around the eyes, repeating it 7 to 8 times. Your eyes will develop like a model's. The surrounding skin will tighten, and attraction in your eyes will increase. Lastly, glowing skin in 1 minute. In our area, there is a lot of sun exposure, so no matter how much you take care of your face, its glow inevitably fades. So, you need to use this remedy regularly to prevent tan and blackening on your face. At home, mix a little bit of tomato pulp and honey, massage it on your face for a minute, and also on your lips. After washing, you will see that your face is glowing, and your lips will have redness. Some people's lips will look pink, while others will look red. These 2 simple things have a great effect. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.